what's up mga bro? Ituturo ko sa inyo yung buloy. Bakit ba? Bakit ba gitara? Ngayon ko lang oh. G, E minor, C, yun lang. Apat lang. Apat na yun lang. Ulitin ko yung chords na E minor, C, D. Yun lang yung chords. Ito naman yung strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down lang.
Gago!
O, umpisahan natin. Ganito ang mag-gitar, ang puki.
Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo!
Tapos na tong walang kwentang video na to.
Okay na lang!
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Katangan na gitara. Bye-bye.